Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to track freelance income. Let's get into the video. Freelancers often work with multiple clients and have multiple streams of income. Tracking each source of income is essential to understanding your business financial health and meeting tax obligations. Create a spreadsheet. That's one way of tracking freelancer income. Maintain a spreadsheet to track who has paid you, how much you were paid, and when you were paid. Include details like project names, payment dates, and payment methods. Secondly, invoicing software. Use invoicing software like FreshBooks, QuickBooks, or Wave to automatically track payments and send professional invoices. Many tools integrate directly with your bank account to make income tracking seamless. The third thing is monitor outstanding invoices. Keep a close eye on unpaid invoices. If a client hasn't paid on time, follow up with polite reminders to ensure you receive your payments promptly. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.